Hello and welcome to this webcast. My name is Ali Zaidi. In this, we create a sales return in D365 for finance and operations. So we can create a sales return by two ways. Either we have to go and create a normal sale order with a negative quantity. We have to go in account in sales and marketing module, and there is option for a sales return, and then sales return and say all sales return order. So before going to create a sales return, I'm going to create a new sale order. And that interesting factor here is that until the sale order is not invoiced, we can't receive its sales return. I'm going to create a new sale order in account receivable and all sale orders. And similar, we can go in sales and marketing module and create a sale order. Here I have click on a new button, select a customer, and then I am going to click OK. So I want to purchase a item A0001, and I want on one site 1 and warehouse 11. Right, I want to purchase four items, 41, not 41, four items, and to I want to sell item on 2000 quantity, right? In avoiding unnecessary credit management, so I am excluding this sales order, so I did not get any problem. So I select the quantity. Now I'm going to confirm the sale order. I'm going to pack the sale order. Pick and pack. I quantity all, and I am going to sell four quantity. Right, that is going to dispatch or a ship. And now I'm going to invoice. Right, and I'm going to confirm it. My sale order is created. Now I'm going to receive this sales order as a sales return. So the proper way is a sales return. For this, we have to go in sales and marketing module. Then there is a section for all sales return. And here I'm going to create a new sales return. And if I have to select the same customer, that is US 001, and this is for site 1 and warehouse 11. Is there any reason code? So I put that uh, defective, right? Click OK, and then any customer acquisition reference I have to put here. So I am going to click on OK, right? And now I have to add item directly from here, or I have to use this feature, find sale order. So I just created a sale order, previous step. So I select that from that inquiry, and it has four items. I click OK, right? It show me a -4 quantity. Done and expected, and I am going to register the line. There's a two ways. One way, how we register the quantity that we have to receive. One way is item arrival journal. Second way is that we have to register quantity here. So I'm bypassing the step for item arrival. I'm registering the quantity from here, register, And here is options. I have options for disposition code for different scenarios. For example, in some cases we did not require to receive item returns, we just give a credit to a customer. Or in some cases we received quantity and give a credit to a customer. In some cases, we receive, we repair, and then return back to a customer. And then there is possibility we give a replacement instead to a credit. So in this scenario, I'm just putting that we have to give a customer as a credit and give receive the quantity back into a inventory. So for this, I select this credit option and click on OK. It asked me where I have to store register. We have to store this quantity, or where we have to place this quantity that is received back. So for this, I click on Add Registration Line. It automatically give me the option that site 1, warehouse 11, and there is location 11. And what is the inventory status? Inventory status help us to store or block the quantity. There is two options are available as per Contoso data, that is blocking or available. I want to reuse this quantity. I don't want to go in and block this quantity. This is just I just sell a few minutes back and then they said no, we did not require. So I am receiving the register the full quantity as it is. We can also make a less, but for current scenario. So I'm going to confirm the registration, right? Quantity is registered. So if I go back, I save it, and if I go back, you can see the posting packing slip option is available. So now I register the quantity, and now I have post the packing slip that I after that quantity will be received into our inventory. So if I click on post, ask me any option or for a customer notes or comments, anything I want to add, a customer packing slip or anything. Currently I don't have, so I put just OK, confirm OK, posting slip. So now my quantity is received, and if I go back to my transactions, it show me that full quantity is received at this location against this sale order. So this is the quick video for sales order return. Hope you like this video. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in another video.